Mabilis lang, marami. Mabilis, marami. Go, go, go.
Punta ka sa kaliwa.
Wala na, no? Kaya na yan.
Oh, it's affected by the...
Isang Cebu City mga bro, sa mga lugar dito sa Pilipinas na pinanggagalingan ng mga mahusay na mga boksingero. Kabilang mga dito mga bro, itong tubong Cebu na si Joe Noynay na may 23 wins at 11 knockouts sa kanyang kartada. Binansagang The Joe Breaker dahil sa lakas ng kanyang mga suntok. Matapos makamit ang back-to-back win ni Noynay sa Japan at Australia mga bro, nang pinabagsak nito ang Hapon na si Kosuke Saka para sa WBO Asia Pacific Featherweight title. Makakalipas lang ng 3 buwan mga bro, sa kagustuhang makabawi ng Hapon, muli itong binabalik sa Japan at dito na itinapat sa kanilang future world champion. Dumayo ang team ni Noynay mga bro sa Japan upang harapin itong 100% knockout artist na Hapon na si Satoshi Shimizu na may kartadang 8 wins at 8 knockouts. Walang talo. Kumbaga mga bro, pinabagsak nito ang lahat ng mga kalaban kasama ng 2 Pinoy na muntikan pang nahulog sa ring. Hindi ito basta-bastang kalaban si Shimizu mga bro, dahil maliban na ito ay undefeated. Isa pa itong bronze medalist sa Olympics bago pinasok ang pro boxing. Kaya sa bakbakan na ito mga bro, lumabas na sobrang dehado ng ating pambato. Lalo't na't sa baluarte pa ni Shimizu, gaganapin ang laban. Kaya tara na mga bro, ating panoorin kung paano pinasuko ng ating pambato na si Noynay, itong future world champion ng Japan, sa harap mismo ng mga Japanese fans. Ang Pinoy na si Noynay mga bro ay may kartadang 17 wins, 2 talo at 7 knockouts, habang ang Hapon naman na si Shimizu ay may kartadang 8 wins, 0 loss at 8 knockouts. Ito ay para sa depensa ng ating kababayan mga bro sa hawak na WBO Asia Pacific Super Featherweight title na naganap sa Aegean Arena sa Osaka, Japan. Sa panimula pa lang ng unang round mga bro, mapapansin na kagad natin dito ang malalakas na palitan ng suntok galing sa 2 boxers na kung saan gustong makakuha ng impresibong panalo.
He defeated a familiar name, recent pro world champion Isaac Dog. Fight for 3 lightweight world championships against the #1 pound-for-pound fighter in the world on August 31st, right here on ESPN+. So Shimizu has the amateur.
Mula sa mabilis na kaliwa ni Noynay mga bro, bagsak si Shimizu, ngunit tumayo lang ito at lumaban.
Follow him out.
Mula naman sa kombinasyon na binitawan ng Pinoy, bagsak ulit ang Japanese champion, ngunit nalampasan pa nito ang bilang ng referee.
You know, being kind of second place in that regard, he's jumped on this young man.
Look at this!
Oh, what he just did right there. Beautiful combination. Second place in that regard, he's jumped on this young man.
Look at this!
Mas naging agresibo itong si Noynay mga bro, na gustong tapusin ang laban, ngunit hindi rin nagpapatinag si Shimizu. Tuloy pa rin mga bro ang mabibigat na mga patama ng ating kababayan na talagang solido din. Ngunit matibay din ito si Shimizu na suportada ng kanyang mga fans.
Gotta wake up and get his head in the fight because Noynay is not playing any games right now.
Right now, respect Shimizu.
Talagang nagsigawan ng mga Hapon mga bro nang tumama ang kombinasyon ng kanilang pambato, ngunit nakatakas pa rin ang ating kababayan.
A few seconds ago, and he's got no answers, like he's literally not throwing any punches right now. There's the punch, but then an answer from Noynay. The best thing to do as a fighter when you're take more ground.
10 trying to improve their positioning. Round number 3 here. And can Shimizu, the undefeated fighter, solve the puzzle early on here against Noine? Was knocked down 2 times in the first round.
So that last round, with a big shot.
Yeah, the body language of Shimizu has changed. Like you said, Tim, he's starting to look like he's more in command of this fight. But then you see Noine land that straight left hand or that overhand left. Look at the feet of Shimizu. He doesn't punch until he slows his feet down. That's called a telegraph. He lets his opponent know, hey, slow down, I'm coming. And then he'll throw a punch right there. But Noine's timing his foot pattern, and he's landing that overhand and that straight left, like I said earlier.
Give us what to look for when you see that here, Dre, as he comes in.
Well, basically, tipping his offense off. Good straight left right there, but not enough of that kind of action from
He comes in, charges in, was able to score there. And now a burst of confidence from Shimizu.
In other words, what Jay is saying, change the fronts, give different looks.
Forced him down with the elbow as we come to the end of round number 3. Shimizu on the attack.
collect the check.
For those left hands, time and again, he is finding countering opportunities as well as timing when Shimizu comes in. And there's another left hand that sends Shimizu straight back.
Yeah, Noine came working for him right now.
Yeah, anytime Noine lets his hands go in
Sabayan lang ang dalawang boxers dito sa round 4 mga bro.
distance by letting your hands go, especially when you're landing clean flush shots like Noine's been doing throughout the course of this fight.
See some blood coming from the nose of the undefeated Olympic bronze medalist. Eats another left hand.
And Joe, it's only the 4th round.
Yep.
Not a good sign if you're in the corner of Shimizu.
Have an upset here. Joe Jawbreaker Noine came out and scored 2 knockdowns in the first round against the
Ngunit talagang napaatras si Shimizu nang tinamaan ng solidong kaliwa ng Pinoy.
Good exchange as both of these southpaws opened up. Sends off balance. All the work from Brandt. He kept that high volume. It's the opposite from Murata. He's a guy that likes to be a little more efficient. More of a high.
Tuloy pa rin ang matinding aksyon dito sa round 6 mga bro, kung saan gustong bumawi nitong Japanese champion. Ngunit talagang tinatamaan naman siya ng mga counters ni Noine.
They came to see their Olympic hero, the bronze medal.
Tall. You know, he fights like a small man. You know, even though he's taller and ranger, he doesn't know how to use his height to his advantage and his reach to his advantage.
You gotta respect the fighter who has won a bronze medal.
Itinigil na ng referee ang laban mga bro upang ipasuri sa ring doctor itong namamagang mukha ng Hapon.
Well, that's the concern because, you know, you go against limited competition and then you go in against a toughened veteran type like Noine, and you better be ready for the test. Right now, they're going to take a look at him. Ringside physician steps up to the apron. You can see the swollen right eye and the impact that his nose has taken the beating there. His face is almost misshapen compared to how he started the night.
Yeah, if you do that to me in a fight and it's the 6th round and I'm called over to the doctor, I'm not sticking my glove out to tap you. I'm just not gonna do it. It's
Too much brother-in-law.
He's too nice and he's showing too much respect right now to Noine.
Hindi kailangan malakas kaya. Marami lang, hindi kailangan malakas.
Noine getting real busy this round. Looks like he caught his second win right now. Nice straight left by Noine.
Tumama na naman ang mga malalakas na kombinasyon ni Noinay sa mukha ng Hapon na halata itong nasaktan. Bigla na lang tumalikod si Shimizu mga bro dahil naramdaman na nito ang sakit na patama ng Pinoy. Umayaw na ang Hapon sa laban.
Hindi kailangan malakas ha. Bilis lang, marami, mabilis, marami. Go, go, go. Kapunta ka sa kaliwa. Wala na yan, no. Ayaw na yan.
At talagang makikita naman natin dito mga bro na halos hindi na makakita ang Hapon dahil sa pamamaga ng kanyang muka. Nakamit ni Noinay mga bro ang TKO na panalo dito sa round 6 at dito nalungkot ang mga Japanese fans sa sinapit ng kanilang future world champion. Salamat sa inyong support mga bro at sa susunod nating mga videos.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ay bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.